You spent 3 months building a to-do app, a weather dashboard, a calculator in React. You pinned them on GitHub, wrote clean READMEs, maybe even deployed them on Vercel. And a hiring manager spent exactly 4 seconds on your profile before moving to the next candidate. This is the portfolio lie. The most repeated career advice in tech, and the most dangerous. Every career guru, every coding bootcamp, every LinkedIn influencer says the same thing. Just build projects. And that advice isn't wrong. It's incomplete. And incomplete advice in this job market is the same as bad advice. Here's what they don't tell you. Hiring managers are not evaluating whether you can code. You have a degree. You passed the screening. They already assume you can code. What they're evaluating is, can you think in systems? A to-do app proves you watched a tutorial. A well-architected microservice with proper error handling, caching, observability, and a README that explains your trade-offs, that proves you can build in production. I'm going to tell you what a senior engineering manager actually looks for in under 10 seconds on your profile. Because that's all you get, 10 seconds. 1. Does this project solve a real problem? Or is it a tutorial clone? 2. Is there a system design decision documented? A trade-off? A reason you chose Postgres over Mongo? 3. Does it handle failure? What happens when the API is down? When the database times out? When a user sends garbage input? If the answer to all 3 is no, your portfolio is furniture. It fills the room, but nobody sits on it. So what does an architect-level portfolio look like? Let me give you 3 upgrades you can make this week. Not next month. This week, upgrade 1. Add a system design doc to your best project. Draw the architecture. Explain why you used a message queue instead of direct API calls. Show me you understand the why, not just the how. Upgrade 2. Add failure handling. Implement retrees. Add circuit breakers. Write proper error logs. One project with production-grade resilience beats 10 projects that only work on localhost. Upgrade 3. Document your trade-offs. Write a section called Decisions I Made and Why. This one section will put you ahead of 90% of applicants because no one does this. A user has 10 repos. An architect has 3. And each one tells a story about how they think. The portfolio lie says quantity matters. The truth says depth wins. 3 projects. System design. Trade-offs. Failure handling. That's not a portfolio. That's proof you can build. Stop being a user. Become an architect. I'll see you in the next one. Let's learn and grow together.